A concern this evening that Jamaica risks losing momentum in the real estate market if long-standing bureaucratic issues are not addressed. The issue was raised at the Tropex conference. Anthony Lugg reports.
As countries across the region compete to attract foreign investors amid global economic shifts, stakeholders in Jamaica's real estate industry say efficiency and speed are becoming more critical than ever. Industry players at the Tropex Investor Conference warn that Jamaica risks losing momentum if long-standing bureaucratic issues are not addressed.
When persons are looking to Jamaica as a destination for investment, they're also looking at other markets in the region or elsewhere. And so if there's another region that is offering the same kind of capital gains, that is easier to close, as faster to close, you might find that money get drawn away to those other regions.
Among the major complaints raised were delays in property transfers, prolonged processing times, and difficulties obtaining documents from tax offices.
I myself was helping a client get a TRN, and I was at the tax office for 3 hours. And, you know, the tax office shouldn't take that long.
The issue comes at a time when global markets continue adjusting to supply chain disruptions and tighter financing conditions following several years of economic shocks. Last week, Minister with responsibility for efficiency, innovation and digital transformation, Audrey Marks, announced measures aimed at reducing bureaucracy and improving the speed of government services. Among the initiatives is the wider implementation of electronic signatures and expanded online government services.
So instead of traveling from office to office, paying to print documents, making photocopies, physically stamping and certifying paperwork, Jamaicans will increasingly be able to complete important transactions electronically. Less paper, less waiting, less bureaucracy, more efficiency for the Jamaican people. Speed in action.
Stakeholders at the conference say, while the policy direction is encouraging, they're hoping to see tangible improvements on the ground.
We're losing a lot of money, we're losing a lot of potential investment, and we do want the Jamaican economy to continue to grow. We want the outside investors to come in. We want Jamaica to be seen as a great place to come and to do business. So, we want persons to kind of shorten the gap time when it comes on to registration, process of sale, and all of those things.
Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.
Coming up in primetime news, medical fraternity continues to mourn passing of renowned psychiatrist Dr. Agri Irons. We'll be right back.